Om Shri Ganpati Namaha. Like you can see, there are 3 pack of cards in front of yourself, and you have to basically think about Lord Ganesha and ask him to give you a guidance towards what is the right path in your life. Ask him for blessings, ask him for a divine guidance, and then just chant in your mind Om Shri Ganpati Namaha, and whichever particular pack of cards you are feeling drawn towards, choose that particular pack of cards and also comment below Om Shri Ganpati Namaha. Once you have done that, you can straight away click on the timestamp mentioned against that particular pack of cards and listen to the guidance coming from Ganpati. I wish you a happy Ganesh Puja, and I really hope Lord Ganesha brings in lots of prosperity, abundance and happiness in our lives. Om Shri Ganpati Namaha. If you have commented on the first pack of cards for yourself, then this is the message coming for you. Archangel Michael, who is believed to be a very supreme form of all the angels and the supreme protector, is guiding you towards taking a trustworthy decision, just Archangel Michael is basically asking you to trust the flow of the energies and just trust on whatever is happening in your life right now. I feel that you need to give your mind a break and just release any kind of too much of cluttered thoughts which are currently going on inside your mind. If you feel that you are having too much of thoughts in your mind and not really understanding how to sort them out, I would suggest invoke Archangel Michael and also Ganpati and ask them to help you cut and release any kind of unwanted thoughts out of your mind. Also, as far as the people and the relationships and the emotions in your life are concerned, I think that Ganesha is guiding you towards friendship, love, understanding and trusting others in your life. So if you feel that because of ego or because of lack of communication, there has been a little bit of gap between you and another person, just take the name of Lord Ganpati, give that person a call or just drop in a message, and I'm 100% sure that with the blessings of Ganpati, he or she will definitely revert back. It could be anybody, it could be somebody in your friend circle or in your personal life or even in your professional life. Alright, I also see a beautiful message that is telling that whatever darkness, whatever blockages, whatever stagnation you are having in your life right now, you need to basically look at the optimistic, the positive side of life, because you need to rise above the darkness, since the light is only there once you rise above. Alright, so look beyond the current situation, think positive and definitely invoke Archangel Michael and Lord Ganpati. I somehow feel that lot of your energies, lot of your problems, lot of your delays are actually self-created, and if you are willing to let go of it, Ganpati will definitely support you to overcome those challenges. So I really hope you follow this beautiful simple guidance. Remember to invoke Archangel Michael, and if you do feel that yes, Archangel Michael and Ganpati is going to help you, which I am sure they will, then comment below that Om Shri Ganpati Namaha. Thank you so much. I will see you soon again. Namaste. If you have commented on the second pack of cards for yourself, then this is the message coming through Lord Ganpati. Basically, the angels, the higher masters, the ascended masters are asking you to be receptive, to be willing to accept whatever is coming your way, whatever is being offered to you through the universe. You need to definitely just stretch your arms wide open and accept with lots of love and gratitude. On that note, I also want you to practice the art of gratitude on a daily basis. All you have to do is think about any 2 or 3 things that you are truly grateful for before you go to sleep at night. It could be something as simple as the food you ate, or maybe just something like the fresh air that you are breathing right now. So just start practicing the art of gratitude. That is the first message coming for you. And the second message which I see is that something beautiful, something miraculous, something like a breakthrough is definitely coming towards your life if you start practicing the first message, which is the art of gratitude. Because the message which I'm seeing is that something that you have been waiting for a long time, something, it could be a materialistic thing, or it could just be like an emotional communication, anything, something really positive is on its way. But for that you need to have belief and faith and be receptive as well. Also, as far as your work is concerned, I think this is the time where Ganpati is asking you to take a stand and do what you feel is correct. You don't have to follow the protocols laid down by the society. Instead, Ganpati is telling you that, dear one, if you truly follow your inner desires, trust me, I will support you till the last moment. So have faith, have trust, and just go for your dreams. Don't hesitate, don't doubt, believe in yourself and believe in me. That's the message coming for you. Also, he is telling that he will be guiding you through some kind of elderly figure in your family or in your circle. So if a third person is offering you some kind of help, accept it, because it could be in the form of a third person that Ganpati is trying to offer you some help towards your higher purpose of life. So I really hope you take these messages very seriously and you inculcate them in your life. Thank you so much for watching this video. Comment below Om Shri Ganpati Namaha, and I will see you soon again. Till then, Namaste. If you have commented on the third pack of cards for yourself, then this is the message coming through Ganpati for you. It's a beautiful message where Ganpati is asking you to let your soul live and breathe. I think it is high time that you need to take a break and give your soul a break. Let your soul relax and enjoy, and just let the soul be its honest, true version. Don't try to get influenced by another person and act like somebody else. Be your true self, be genuine, be just like a small child who is full of innocence, and just be as playful as a small young kid. Also, I feel that Ganpati is asking you definitely to pursue some form of spiritual activity. Why don't you start with something like a 5 minutes breathing technique on a daily basis? I'm pretty sure it will help you. Try to make it in your schedule that 5 minutes I have to do a breathing technique. If you are not able to do for 5 minutes, start with 3 minutes, but make it a point you do that. If you want, you can actually use amethyst as well. It's a crystal which is extremely helpful for helping you to work on the field, on the lines of spirituality. It helps you to activate your third eye chakra. So use an amethyst to work on your spiritual quotient. Let your soul live, L-I-V-E. Also, I feel that this is the message coming for you, is that you need to look at every situation from a metaphysical level and not at a physical level. Explanation, I'll just give it to you right away. It means that in every situation, look for what is the happiness quotient. Don't just do a thing because you have to do it. Look for the happiness quotient in everything that you are doing. For example, if you are watching this video also, look for the reason that why it is making you happy, and focus on your happiness. Only when you focus on the happiness, the ultimate the emotional aspect of a situation, you will get lots and lots of success. So stop measuring every situation, every outcome in materialistic terms, and start measuring it in terms of emotional and spiritual happiness. I also see that it's a beautiful time for you to just take a break, watch so many movies, eat nice food, drink lots of water, and invest your time in some kind of sports or maybe indoor activities as well. It's a beautiful time for you to actually invest your energy in some kind of physical activity or some kind of sports as well. I also see a beautiful message that Lord Ganpati is telling you that just be like me, just be carefree, just chill, just relax. Okay, so it's a beautiful, simple message for you that you need to take your life easily and focus on what keeps you and your soul happy, and just stop living for others. Live for yourself, live for your soul. That's the message coming for you. And remember, you are a spiritual being, so invest your time in spiritual activities. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to comment below Om Shri Ganpati Namaha, and I will see you soon again. Till then, Namaste.